So there you are. Congratulations, Priya. It's very good to see you here. So,
Thank
before, how does it feel to be a new PMP?
you. So it's very good
Excited?
feeling actually. So
Mm-hmm.
currently I'm working as a project manager only, but being a certified project manager, I am feeling good. And I could say, no, after passing this exam or after conducting this course, I have a new some look at to look at my project. I could say by that concepts of the project management, what we have studied in EPMA and this in this course. Okay,
Yes.
so we have a new view to look at our projects or managing the risk. We can say this is our normal job which I am doing currently. But after passing this exam, yes, definitely I have some good points to view at to look at my projects.